All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about the minimal workspace. So let's go to Window and Workspace and click on Minimal. And this is a great workspace, okay? Because, and I'm going to save here because the little asterisk popped up there. What you get in the minimal workspace is you get, and I'm going to save one more time, is you get a clear cut vision of what you're working on, right? So for this, all I have is my layers and the source monitor, okay? And so I can just focus on what I'm working on, okay? So this is really, they call it the minimal workspace, but I really call it the focus workspace, where you have all your digital assets in one spot. They're all on the timeline, and you've got everything set up, and now you can do the work. Okay, I equate it to this. If you're building a shed, you go to a store, you buy the supplies, they deliver it to wherever you're going to build that shed, right? So all the materials, right? They put all the materials, let's say you're building it in the backyard. You put all the materials in the backyard, and then you go and buy all the tools you need. And you put all those tools right next to the materials. Okay, and then you have a diagram of how you're going to build it. It's all organized, right? So this is essentially that. This is the focus zone now, where we know what we got to do. I got the design, I got the materials, I got the tools. So now I can go do the work, okay? And that's really what this is it gives you kind of a focus of, even though it's minimal, it gives you a focus of what you can do, okay? Of what you need to do, okay? Yes, I really like that. Okay, so one thing I want to change with this too is I want to select the text, and I'm going to change this to Learn Tech. Okay, because I think that would look cool. So, plus when I'm focused like this, nice. I like it. Looks good. All right, so I'll save that. Thanks for watching. That's the minimal workspace. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about the motion tracking workspace. Okay, so I'm going to do Window, Workspace, Motion Tracking. Okay, so with this gives us a different look and feel than the previous workspace, obviously, which is a minimal, I call it the focus workspace, but it's really a minimal workspace where you don't have all these panels showing up. It's just the source and the timeline. And with this one, which is the motion tracking, it gives you focus on motion tracking. Okay, so you can utilize all these tools here. And it just, like I said, think of workspaces as a template. Okay, so you have 5 templates of whatever you're working on, and they're stored in 5 different spots. Okay, and you click on one, and then you get a different template. That's really what workspaces are. And like I said, this gives you the option for tracker, content-aware fill, and all this other stuff down here to really be able to do your motion tracking. Okay, so with that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.